This is the bench test of a carputer for a 350Z. I'm going to power on the system. Here's how everything's connected. I've short wired a spare power supply and wired it in with this testing harness. That gives a 12-volt signal, just like a car battery. And this white cable is simulates the ignition system. When you plug it together, the carputer will turn on. It'll just be like you started the car. So I'll go ahead and start the car. You'll see that everything kicks on. Now the system is booting. I've wired in an on-off switch. This will stop it. This switch will stop it from starting with the car. Power switch, reset switch, USB ports, power and LED, and hard drive LED lights. And this is what you're presented with as your UI. GPS system. Here's Y. You can disable. You can make these not come up. You can zoom out. Move back to the main software. A video, perhaps. Turn up the volume.
All we know is he's called the stick. Away he goes, and this car really is under the shout of setting a new lap record here. This sounds a bit like the Stig's short shifting.
Want one of those.
Taking off the red Militant doesn't want to lunch the engine. First corner there. Ooh, you see the back stepping out. Justin was giving it all on his flying lap. Bit of a freak.
Listen to some music. Not the Beatles. How about Jay-Z? So now you'll see the stuff up at the top there. Now, I don't have the wireless connected. Come back here. Into the desktop. I've included iGuidance 4.0. iGuidance 2.1 is currently installed. There's also a sling box. Turn on the wireless. You can set up the drivers to use a 3G phone should you want to get internet from the car. I'll include the Wincom drivers. I had to uninstall them because they're generally specific to the adapter that you install. You have to do a couple of minor things. There's directions in the driver set. But that's pretty much it. Now, one of the neat features is when you get out of the car, just like turn off the ignition. Just doing that. The DC to DC power adapter will notify the computer. Usually takes 15 to 30 seconds. It's totally configurable in the DSATX power supply. I've got it set for a couple seconds in case you want to restart your car or you're doing something. You can configure it up to 20 minutes. It'll also protect the car. And there it is. Ready to go next time you start the car.